Why are we being so quiet? Why are we keeping this hush hush?
Because we have a very quiet delivery of some rectangular 2021 dragons from the Perth Mint.
So basically, don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. What's the deal?
Well, all the people that I've said they're sold out, I can't get any more. I've just been proven a liar because we've actually secured a few more.
Okay.
But it's only a very few. So they will go up on the website. There will be a few available in store. But this is the last dragons, 2021 dragons in captivity that I'm aware of.
Okay.
So
please don't tell anyone, people. Keep this video to yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
This is where we say don't like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, don't like, share, subscribe this time.
This one just like and subscribe, I suppose.
Yeah. Now I'll link above to the video we did earlier. Or was it last week? I think it was, or the week before. And so just a few more of the double dragons.
Yes.
2021, but we're keeping it really quiet.
We are. So it's approximately, I haven't got an exact count on it, and I should have looked. It's approximately 30 odd.
Okay.
So they'll go up on the website, and like I said, there'll be a few available in store as well.
Yep. All right. Cool. Any other secrets that we want to tell them now, or shall we leave those secrets for next week?
Yeah, that's right.
All right. That's it from me.
And from me too.
Be really quiet.
See ya.
Bye.